Kaganun Menteri Kelarai Bansio Pendap No ya kepisah basan sepaan rupsan kelur tengka kepada kepisah keberangsa syaka NTPC dan kebasio pendap kum ke installment hado arpausin. Menteri Keterat Permit Boarding Abu Tahir Mondal ulang baketenat boarding kelekran bat ke NTPC hadian bakladun kejengkiu jong kepisah syaka hendru sepaan rupsan kelur tengka kebasa ateng Bansio bat kumta lada ailat bed bakanikan beteng kan sekenjo syaka syihajar kelur tengka. Hakaba ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited MEPDCL ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL bat kesorkar jela ken sama degejing ia kebakrau. Ulong bak NTPC kala menjor ban mapno sispa kelur tengka bat na ka hendrus pa anrupsan kelur tengka hak bansio no tangsan spa anrupsan kelur tengka. Bat kene kepisah hak bansio pendep dak installment hado arposin. UET Mandal ulong bak sorkar kala syemekarai bansio kepisah kebasan sepaan rupusan kelur tengka syek NTPC. Ndai kejing ekran kadang yai beteng bat ke NTPC bandang penjun sur syusyu ke bedai bak kejing sio ke installment ke ban rap shibuan ke ban penduna ya kejengkit ke bakia.
So these dues accumulated for quite a long time and it was almost 488 crore. Then MEPDCL has availed Atmo Nirbhar loan, Bharat loan, and 50% of the dues were that time paid back to NTPC. But by the meantime, we had some different ideas also, because NTPC was, we felt that they were charging quite high to the tune of fixed charges and all these things. And we approached them for reduction in interest and these fixed charges and all these things. Ultimately, it did not materialize. After that, we have even moved to the court of law. But then, as this agreement was executed in the letter and spirit, even court has not given a favorable verdict in favor of us. By the meantime, what happened that 244 crores with fixed charges and then late payment charges and all these things, including penalties and all these things, has become around 665 crore approximately. So we thought that if this continues like that, very soon it will touch maybe 1,000 crore and create a burden for the MEPDCL vis-a-vis MECL and also to the state government. So accordingly, we have now moved with NTPC for negotiation, and after the negotiation and frequent meetings with them, they agreed that now we can pay them 565 crores instead of 664 or 65 crores. So we got a relief from that point of view, but then this amount should be paid in installments, around 20 installments. So we are still continuing with that thing, but the thing is that where from this fund will come? Should we go for additional loan or something like that? As all of you are aware that MECL is not in sound condition as far financial aspect is concerned. That's why we approached the state government, and it has been decided today that this amount of 565 crore will be paid back to them. And we are still negotiating, and NTPC is open-minded that whether this will have to be returned within this 20 installments, or we can have some relaxation as far the installment are concerned, so that our monthly burden is also, or installment burden also reduces. So they wanted that once the cabinet decides, then they will give that scope. So it may go to 30, or we'll push something more also, so that there is no more interest part on that, and we clear these dues from NTPC and get clean as far NTPC dues are concerned. Because you could see that earlier it was 444 crore. From there we have paid already 488 crore. From there we have already paid 244 crore. And remaining 244 crore now became 664 crore. So it will continue up, and then thereby putting us into financial crisis also. And Cabinet has been kind enough to agree to this proposal of Power Department.